Come on.
Oh yeah, guys, come this way. Come this side. Move
Ready?
under the tree.
Try,
Come
try.
under the tree.
Try.
Nothing. What if he
Not
like
up,
hits
down.
and then
Down,
if
down.
it's a make a wrong shot and then
Try to hit this ball. Good. Got it, right?
no.
Remember, lift the bat up and then go
A
forward.
little bit move away, guys.
In the, not in there. No.
Wait for the.
Let the ball fall here and then you hit it, okay? If you hit it in the air, it's fine. Very nice. Very nice. Swing. Very nice.
Yes.
Not every shot, huh? Lift. Hey, you stay a little away, okay? You don't collect it. No.
You're waiting. Too late. Okay. Just come little close.
That's,
Okay. The moment when the ball falls,
that's
hit
the
the ground,
timing
you
is
should swing, should
the
come.
ball is falling, okay? You lift your bat. Not like this. You lift the bat here, okay?
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And then you move the bat slowly. No. Slowly, keep moving. Yes, and then you hit. But not here. You hit it right here, okay? So,
Wait for the pitch.
ball is falling and you are also moving. The time you hit it, boom. Okay?
Second, right? Yeah.
I bet no one's taking that, so I'm gonna take it.
Okay, who's going next?
Chal.
Come on, guys.
Ready? See, your line has to be here. This way. So that you can reach to the ball properly. Okay?
Gabby, can you sit like this?
Gabby, go away a little.
Little bit.
Ready? Lift the bat.
Yeah.
Your fat has to be go back.
So
Step back.
swing in the air.
Yeah, feet a little forward.
So
Yeah.
the ball
Bend
is
down
on
and swing.
one of-
Bend down
drop
and
the ball
swing.
here. So
Good.
wait
Bend down and
for the
swing.
pitch. And the
Nice.
moment when it
That's
hits
what.
the ground, your swing
Hit.
should come and then.
Not in the air.
Yeah.
Wait for the ball.
Touch the ground.
Good. Very good.
Got it?
All right.
Like
Yeah, it's difficult, yeah?
just when it touches the
This is
ground,
a very good ball for
use
spinners.
power, right? Use that one and then.
Very nice. You have good power. Beautiful. No. The ball is going
your
in the
toes
air,
straight.
you start moving your back. Okay?
Okay.
Come on. Get ready.
Do like a little.
You're gonna eat, so you can't be that.
Spin,
Start
spin.
a spin. Yeah.
Is it difficult? Get up.
Yeah, he got out too.
Nice. See, you have a lot of power.
Yeah, but you're fast.
Yeah.
Come on.
He's fast.
Come on. All right.
Even I'm slow.
What happened?
Wait.
Okay, come. Here we go. Another one. Taking a break. Another one. Another batter.
Wait, you just made me as fast as
Kian.
Connect, okay?
Bro, he thought I was faster than goalpost.
Yes.
He's like 20.
Hey, less talking. Come back.
Dude, he said that
What did you saw? You watch me, right? Feet more back. Ah, good. Are you a lefty?
Your toe straight. Yeah.
You're righty? Then how you're holding like this?
Yeah, I'm not even close when I'm bowling.
Yeah, this is all right.
I gotta go way.
Yeah, you're
Wait
good.
for the ball. Wait for the ball.
Go a little back.
No, not full
Oh,
toss.
this bit here. Yeah.
It's
And then you
okay,
hit the
Gabby.
ball around this area. Hit it.
It's okay, Gabby.
He's hitting this side.
Next time you just kill
Hey,
you. It's not
collect the ball and bring it back. Come on.
I hit it right back. Wait,
Ball,
let's go.
bat up. Bat up like this and then
Always,
swing
always.
it.
I hit it right back.
Yeah.
Feel it. Feel it,
Very
Wait.
good. Hit hard. Swing the bat.
Too fast.
Touch shot.
Yes.
Swing the bat. Swing the bat.
Timing is all important.
Come on, swing the bat. Nice. Swing the bat. Swing the bat.
What if he hits it and you hit it and you hit it?
Lift again. Lift again.
Why?
Good. Lift again.
Come on, speak
Why?
it
You can't even stand properly.
And then
Hold the ground, base stronger. Put body weight here. Push it.
Ah.
Come on.
Yes.
Better.
Shotty! Get ready.
No.
Come on. Lift the bat up. You're playing like a baby. You don't have power? Show me how you hit it hard. Not like that. Again, show me. Catch it. उसके किट में है वो तो. Okay. Let's see how you do it, okay? Hey, come little forward. You are doing more closer. Coming this way. Yeah, little more. Yeah. Ready? You go get the ball and come back. Gabby. Very nice. Harder, harder. That's fine, that's fine. The balance is one part of it, okay? Have some body balance on this one, this one. The heel of the ball of the feet, okay? This is how you're gonna get a better friction or better traction.
Smash the shot.
Oh, he hit the ball. You hit it because you hit it, he hit hard.
Let's collect some balls.
On my hip.
Hmm?
My hip is really bad. I don't know why. It's so deep,
Alright, ready? Get down.
Ready? No.
Where are you? Where are you?
No.
Go closer. More, little more.
close.
Yeah. Yeah, but it comes in the middle. More,
That's
little
the
more.
spear, bro.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Go a little more closer.
Little more close.
Yeah.
Wait for the
Don't
ball
hit in
to
the
bounce.
air, okay?
No,
That fits that one.
wait for the ball to bounce, okay?
No, I know and the ball is really awesome.
Gabby, go get the ball. The two balls went over there.
Sorry, Ari.
Yes, I like it.
Very nice. Finish. Lift your bat utha. Bat utha up in the air. Very nice.
You're not waiting for the ball to bounce.
Very nice, boy.
Yes,
Wait for the ball. Wait for the ball.
yes. Yes.
Gabby, don't throw harder.
You okay?
Yeah. Alright, Akshat, ready? Yeah. Stand in the line. 30 balls. पीछे थोड़ा खड़ा. Beauty.
Akshat on strike.
Cat fighting.
Smacking.
3,
Drive. Oh,
4.
slogs it. Let's try to slog it. Slogging. Slog.
7. Beautiful.
Why does the
ball.
bat sound cracked?
Why is your bat not
Very
sound?
good. No talking. No talking
Sounds
on the
cracked.
camera. Very good.
Hit
Very
the
good.
middle, man.
He's getting some
Thunder,
practice.
wasn't it cracked? Yeah, it sounds
Very
cracked.
nice.
It doesn't even have a middle or something. I know, but he's not.
Very good. Very nice. Tanush, you
Okay,
come now.
that's the first middle.
Tanush, quick.
Only one middle of the day. Your bat seems not okay, bro. What do you do to that?
He's doing good. Stand properly. Hit.
Literally.
Lift the bat all the way up, okay? Lift the bat all the way up, boy. Very nice.
How come you don't do this in the game?
You stay on this line, little bit back.
I do, bro. 0 off 3.
Lift the bat up.
1 off 3.
Lift the bat up. Lift the bat up, boy. Stand proper. Stand proper.
I don't want to hear it.
Don't come near. You
Last
stay
means
on
I
the
went
same
opening.
line.
Do you go opening?
Yes.
Nice.
Who's last
Labor's
time?
Day. Labor's Day.
Nice.
All the games. I didn't go.
Nice.
I was replacing the beat. Everyone
No,
else
no
like,
drive.
oh,
Hit
Ishan's
hard.
going to go opening. You're
Hit
not
hard.
going to go opening. No,
Ask me.
Shan, no talking.
Hey, ask me.
Very good.
no, bro, you don't get it.
Nice.
No, he already agreed. I asked him last one. You asked him. I don't have time. I already asked him. He said I would have went opening.
Nice.
No, actually, I already asked him.
फिर बात कर रहा है कैमरा की जगह उधर जाके बात करना.
Sorry.
All right, चल. Come on.
But everybody my car is Labor Day last year. This year's. Yeah, this year's.
Stand on the line. Around the bucket. You always stand around the bucket, okay?
This year, 4 and
Do not come forward. Go a little back. Lift the bat up.
No, I had 5 wickets.
Bat up. और उठा bat.
Good.
Good. After, when you lift, it has to be like a
That was in
big
Labor Day.
swing. Hip go Kuma.
Oh wow, so easy to
And
get.
they're kind of easy.
Lift up, hip swing.
Just can't believe you
Hip
haven't.
swing kar.
I mean, it doesn't matter about 50. It matters about your average.
Hip swing, hip swing.
50, then the next 5 games you get like 1 to 2 runs.
Nice.
But like, even if you score 20 points, it's just like, that's all you get.
No.
Because then 50 shows that you can stay in. Oh, you have not seen that. Like, the minute you get 30 balls, they're like,
All right, Akshat, come. Run, run, run.
Did you ask him a question?
yeah.
Question.